I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes when they hear, let's say, a sus4 or sus2. This is no longer a cross-disciplinary, this is discussing music independently, how to build.
I mean, I might as well study what is sound. Sound travels 700 miles an hour. It is the collision of air molecules. So I would like to know what occurs on a molecular level when sound travels.
I also got into an area, this is within the context of cross-disciplinary, is psychophysics, the relationship between physical stimulation and mental phenomena. And I sort of sporadically encountered this discipline when I tried to decipher why a musician and a non-musician would have the same emotional attributes.